alternatives and options and ways to improve my chances. And so I started looking at all sorts of alternative and complementary therapies to see how I could improve my odds.
I'm a survivor of cancer, and I want to know all that, or as much as possible, about treatments that are available.
I came down to obtain information for people who are affected with cancer as alternative treatments, but I've also gained a lot of information for my own personal use as a survivor.
I am a registered dietitian and I work with oncology patients, so I figured this will better my career and help my patients a lot more.
I've spent 2 years researching on this type of thing, and I still learn more at Annie's conferences. The speakers are just a caliber that's just, it's out of this world. It's just amazing.
It's been a wonderful experience to be able to talk to a lot of the doctors that she's introduced me to via email and through other programs, and actually to be able to interact with them now and get involved with their programs.
Susan Lux was incredible. Her whole seminar was terrific. Immunology, the whole herbal and way of changing your life, where you can help yourself with the food that you consume.
So I think it's important what we learn, but also the networking, because you get to talk to all these people, and all the presenters are willing to talk to you afterwards. And just having breakfast and lunch with them, and just sitting there and listening to the conversations that take place. There's you learn so much.
The warmth and the support for this complementary and alternative way of looking at things, because it feels rather lonely sometimes out there when you're facing the cancer world.
The biggest part for me has been the ability to network with doctors that are looking at alternative medicines for an ongoing treatment.
We live in our little bubble and just think of chemo and radiation, but there's a lot more out there.
When you do complementary treatments, the sum of the parts is larger than the whole. If you do one thing, massage, and then you do another thing, those two things become bigger than the two individual things. And the more you do, the better your chances of survival and not having a recurrence.
The wonderful thing about it is the food.
I mean, the food is always excellent because it's all organic, it's all healthy.
The budget that she does, and volunteering all her time, and it's just amazing the amount of information gets out there, and the contacts that she has in order to get the type of people here that she does, and the networking that she has done herself. We can all benefit from it by coming to these conferences.
It is a great thing to donate to.